The Haitian Revolution was such a devastating blow to European colonizers everywhere that those same European colonizers are still to this day out for revenge against our Haitian brothers and sisters. This ain't just a story about rebellion. This is the heartbeat of liberation, when black men and women work together to prevail against pure evil. This is the Haitian Revolution, a revolution so great that Haitian people are still suffering from retaliation. Let me take you to the beginning. It started with a contradiction. In 1789, the French Revolution erupted in Europe, chanting liberty, equality, brotherhood, the audacity. The enslaved African people heard those words too. They saw the hypocrisy. How could a nation demand liberty from kings while still shackling human beings like animals? Insanity. The colony was boiling with tensions between white colonists and the masses of enslaved Africans. But the enslaved knew what they were going to do. In August of 1791, a voodoo ceremony at Boys came and sparked the match, led by Duddy Boukman, a priest warrior, and a woman whose name history nearly tried to erase, Cecile Fatima. That night was both spiritual and strategic. Cecile called down the ancestors and Boukman declared war, and the revolution was born. Now let's talk about war tactics, because this wasn't just a chaotic revolt. This was a military campaign led by some of the most brilliant black minds ever to breathe. Enter Toussaint Louverture, once enslaved, self-educated, multilingual, and master of guerrilla warfare. He studied European military strategy while adapting it to the mountainous terrain of Haiti, using hit-and-run tactics, setting fire to plantations and turning every tree into cover. Louverture turned former slaves into soldiers. Every battle wasn't just about force. It was about knowing the land, using surprise, deception, and striking with precision. Woof, that's a man. The Haitians played the Europeans like a game of chess. They switched alliances when it served them, first with the Spanish against the French, then with the French against the British, and Spanish when the tides turned. See, that's how you do. The Haitian Revolution was the first and only successful slave revolt in history because our people weren't just angry, they were organized. But behind those strategies, behind those battlefield victories were women. Black women, revolutionary women. You didn't think we were just standing on the sidelines, did you? As a matter of fact, Toussaint Louverture was taught to fight by his auntie. Okay? But let's talk about Sanit Belair. Belair was a revolutionary soldier, a lieutenant in Louverture's army, and one of the fiercest freedom fighters ever to live. When the French captured her, she refused to be blindfolded. She faced death with her eyes wide open and her back straight, a warrior to the end for her people. Women were spies, healers, messengers, organizers, and yes, they were warriors, picking up machetes and rifles, whatever they had, fighting beside their men. They carried messages through dangerous territory, hid weapons in their clothes, and passed codes through songs to share enemy positions. So smart. After over a decade of bloodshed, betrayal, and brilliance, Haiti declared its independence in 1804. The first free black republic, the first nation born of successful slave revolt. They didn't just break chains, they shattered empires. And to this day, the world still punishes Haiti for its freedom. But we honor it, we study it, we carry it, because the Haitian Revolution wasn't just about Haiti. It was about all of us. It sent shockwaves through the Caribbean, Latin America, and American South. It scared the hell out of every slave owner on this planet because it showed what happens when black people unify, strategize, and fight for their divine right to live free. To the women who fought with the fire in their eyes, to the men who made mountains into war zones, to the spirits who still whisper through the winds of Haiti, we remember you. We love you. We will never forget what you did for us. The Haitian Revolution isn't just a piece of our history. It is instruction. As always, I love you, black man. I love you, black woman. Knowledge is power. Power to the people.